What is up, everyone? It's Stacie here with Jesse's Performance. I am back doing vlog style videos. I'm gonna combine vlogging with Jesse doing work so that you kind of get the best of both worlds. But we've been terrible about keeping people up to date on what exactly has been going on around here at the shop since we moved to our new property. So first and foremost, these last couple of weeks, we haven't posted a ton of new content on social media because we have been in the works of getting ready for our very first burnout show we are doing with the Good Guys car show called Freedom Skids. We decided we wanted to start our own burnout show exhibition show, not a contest. There are no rules, there are no, well, there's prizes, but there's no like winner. But we just want a fun place for everybody to go and be able to do burnouts. And we have been in cahoots with Good Guys about this for over a year now, and we finally got something put together for the last Texas show of the year. So we are only able to do standing burnouts at this show, but come next year, we're gonna do 5 shows with Good Guys, 3 of them out of state, 2 of them in Texas, and we are going to be able to have skid pads. So this next show is gonna kind of be our ramp up, I guess, to the Freedom Skids and what we can do and the crowd that we can bring to the Good Guys shows. So that's next weekend. We got to get the Burn Bird ready. The NAS rod needs to get ready also. It's sitting over here with no rear end. The Burn Bird, we've fired it up, but we had some injector issues. We're still having some transmission issues, and we had to finish the wide body. So today we're going to show just moving the Burn Bird inside. It took us about an hour to get this thing inside, and we can kind of share with you the process. This thing's airbagged and doesn't roll worth anything, as everybody saw when we dropped it off of the forklift accidentally. But anyways, let's get started, and I promise to get more content. I promise to keep y'all up to date more on what's going on here. So let's go.
1.8 volts.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't they work?
Yeah.
Look at the remote handy for the airbag.
Things gonna need cleaned up a little bit, Stacie. She got a little dirty. Let's just remove that. We're gonna just throw that fucker in here. Maybe it's in the trunk. I'll have to ask Kyle. I think he had it last.
Let's take it.
Okay, so what do we got? How do we got all this out down here?
It's all hooked up.
Okay, we got the fuel pumps undone, but everything else seems to be hooked up properly. We also have this guy if we run into issues here.
Need water?
Nope, we just need to turn these off and get it off. Okay, well, we got a bag ground somewhere. Trying to ground through the throttle cable to the motor. So, I'm gonna hook my ground to the motor. The pumps sound like they're dragging pretty hard.
That's the battery.
Yeah. Okay. Which one?
Talk loud, okay?
Huh?
Talk loud.
All
You
right.
don't mind.
Well, as with when you let anything sit, right, you forget the actual condition you left it in. You know, like it ran when it was parked scenario. So, I don't know where we're at with things on this car. Exactly. So we're gonna have to go through and see. Yeah, see? We got a back round somehow. And now I have a fresh blister. All right, we gotta let the air up. We got a leak somewhere. One of the things we gotta figure out today. So I'll air it up. We'll get her moved inside. We'll get on some carts, get it up in the air, and we're gonna do a bunch of testing today. Man, that son of a bitch hurt.
Want a Band-Aid?
No bitch stickers for this guy. Doubling them down? Yeah. Put a little longer one underneath. Yeah. Here, just look at this.
Are you going out back with this or just right in here?
Right there.
Are you guys gonna have to push? Do you want me to drive or just record?
No, you just record.
Okay.
Ready? Yep. Water, pal. It look ain't aired up either. Need more air. There you go. I think our solenoids are wrong. I think we got one front and one back, and one front and one back hooked up to the different equipment. It's okay. Go for it, Kyle. Oh shit, we're spinning tires. All right. Now we'll get to the top. Oh hell, this ain't as much work as I thought it was gonna be.
It's not?
No. I mean to move it. Oh, there's a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. Hell yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, we got 2 days worth of cleaning to do.
I know.
But it's okay.
Remember somebody saying like a month ago to get it in.
Well, that would have been way too early. Yeah, we would have. There's not enough pressure. So my goal here is we got to check the injectors because we filled the oil pan with fuel. So we need to check the injectors, change the oil, figure out our airbag leak. Now we got to figure out why our batteries aren't working. I got to get it running. And then I got to figure out the transmission tune stuff, which I have not figured out on this car yet. So I got to get that figured out. And then if I have all that done by Wednesday, maybe Thursday, we're gonna finish the wide body kit and have it painted next week. That's my goal. That really is my goal. So, and luckily I have the best possible help there could be.
Yeah.
Hey, here I am.
You're Kyle Jessie.
Looks like all right. So I don't know how well this fits. All right, let's roll. Come on, Tina, you fat lard. Should have charged the golf cart up. You come, yeah, you come my way if you need to. I got about 4 or 6 inches. All right, you going straight in there? A little bit more, Kyle, a little bit more, Kyle, a little bit more, Kyle. Let's just go right there and we'll put it on park. Yeah, I don't want to keep dragging it on that tire. No, we're good right there.
You want the brake parts over here?
We'll have,
Or the go jack?
do the other two. I'd use the brake cars to get through the lift. Yeah. Stage 1 complete. About 74 more stages to go. It's going to be a long week. See what your teeth just bead right now. Oh, that's only wet a little bit. Keep going. I don't know. It sounds like she's going.
Oh, it's staying right here.
I got it.
Yep, there it is.
Well, it's for beans.
Got the gun.
Is it almost set?
It's set.
Okay.
It's sealed up all the way around.
Okay, good. All right. Oh, good deal. Easy peasy. What is that? Step 2 done. 73 to go. Before I start adding more. A little higher, Michael? Yeah, this one corner's falling a little bit, so. Yep. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can touch him, but go hold it more. There we go. Cool. All right, let's get the front now. Yeah, I just say we put it on all fours. Will it get on that? No. We'll start to come off. I don't like that.
Yeah. Both sides just flip over.
What?
Flip over there. With the cards.
yeah,
on the bump right there?
Yeah.
We'll just...
Like, oh, did you turn that jump box back on? You gotta press and hold it. Oh, there it is.
Good job.
Good. I guess we'll just push it up there. Kyle, there ain't no sense in putting the front on carts if we can't roll over that deal.
Are you trying to go next door with it?
Yeah. Yeah, we need this like here today for your top. Oh, we need to take the wall out on this whole piece. Alright? A little more. Yeah. Over here, bro. Quick clear over here.
No, you're not, Kyle. It's gonna keep sliding that way.
We're way clear. We can back up some. And I just steer it over. We got to push it straight. So, yeah. Now it's there. Fuck, the stairwell keeps folding on me. Okay. As long as we just roll it. We got one over, huh? We kicked him out? Yeah. At least we got air in the tire. Yeah. How much rubber did you knock off the quarter panel there? None. Oh, okay. It's just, no. Perfect. You can get that off put on there. Yeah. Put it on this. What if that powers the car up also?
I have my small one in the car.
Okay, that powers the car up. I just want to get it up one more time and get it down here.
Just so you can hear the leak back here.
Out of the manifold, I think.
If you want to see the Burn Bird in action and you're in Texas, definitely come to the Good Guys Car Show this next weekend, Friday through Sunday at Texas Motor Speedway. That's the 27th through 29th. We will be doing our very first burnout show called Freedom Skids. Check out Freedom Skids on Instagram if you'd like some more information, but we've got the Burn Bird that's going to be there, the Nastrod, Michael's OBS. We're going to put on a big burnout show. We've got a bunch of partners that are giving away a bunch of prizes, swag. We've got t-shirts and decals and hats and all kinds of stuff. Big D Energy is our title sponsor, so they will be there with their models and their energy drinks. We've got Nitrous Outlet that will also be there, and our other partners were so gracious to send over some swag for giveaways, like Second Gen Graveyard, Restore Muscle Car, King Cut Drill Bits, Canon, and XK Glow. So definitely stop by if you're at the Good Guys Show at Texas Motor Speedway this next Friday through Sunday, the 27th through 29th. We will be in the burnout area and we'll see y'all there. Stay tuned for more videos and thank you so much for watching.